Well, I walked up on some mushrooms. Well, it ain't the ones I'm looking for. But nonetheless, it is mushrooms. Them look like honeys. Let's pop one off and see. Looks like an oak tree. Yep. That's a honey mushroom. They just help decay matter. I don't think you can eat them. I'm not going to eat nothing. I ain't 100% sure. There's another one right over there. See it? It's pretty cool, guys. Well, looks like I found some fatwood too. There it is. Oh yeah, look at the goodness. Georgia fatwood. See these little clovers? They're beautiful. But where I stepped a while ago, I actually kicked one over. Look at that. They're purple on the backside. Have y'all ever seen that? That is so cool, man. They're actually purple on the backside. I didn't know if y'all knew that or not. I'd never seen that before. There's another mushroom right here. Not 100% sure what it is, but sure is cool. I'm in the shrooms. I think these are fiddleheads. What do y'all think? Fiddleheads or not? They smell like fiddleheads. And I heard these things are good to eat. Yep, looks like I'm in the right spot. Just keep my eyes out. Maybe up this big bank I'll find something. Not real sure what these are, guys. They look like turkey tails. You can look underneath. They say turkey tails are solid white underneath. And of course they got the fan colors. So y'all out there let me know something. These are turkey tails. I might just come back and collect them. They're awful pretty. Look at that. That's beautiful. Well, guys and gals, appreciate y'all coming by Calvin's Corner to see me too. I may not have found morels this year, but I'll be back next year. It's not over for everybody. Y'all up north, y'all still got them coming in. Y'all stay safe. As you can see, I'm down here, some pretty thick privet. There's a pretty tall bank on this side. There's a creek rushing behind me. And there's my apples right here. And there's all these trees we talk about right around me. And just because I didn't find them doesn't mean they're not here. Hell, I'm 48 years old. You never know, my eyes just probably give out on me. But I want to tell you, every one of y'all, thank you so much for all the views and all the likes and all the great comments on my last video I did with me and Jeff. I'm gonna say Jeff and me, because I'm a good guy. And y'all are great people, and y'all are awesome, awesome YouTubers out there. Thank you so much for coming by Calvin's Corner 72. And I hope each and every one of y'all find a big old bait of these morel mushrooms. And if I find some before I get out of here, I'll let you know. Never know when this video is going to come out. You never know when a video is going to go viral. Almost 4,000 views on my last video. Unreal, guys. Y'all are the reason why. It's not me. It's y'all. Thank you so much. I don't know if y'all can see me right now, but my heart about stopped a beat. I have never, ever found morels in Georgia until today. I just found them. They're right here, guys. Let me turn the camera around. Oh my God, I can't believe it. The first time I've ever found them. When I was talking to y'all, I was actually standing right there, and I had already given up. And I come up this bank I was telling y'all about. And check it out, guys. Can y'all see them? Can you see them yet? Look what I found, guys. The first morels I've ever found in the state of Georgia. Thank you, Jesus. Woo! Let's get to cooking. I'm ready to eat right now. I'm hanging on all I can on this tree. Y'all see these morels right here? First ones I've ever cut in my entire life. In the state of Georgia, that is. I found some in Tennessee, but never in Georgia. See that? My old trusty old timer. Here we go. Gotta cut them down low, boy. Gotta save every morsel. Every morsel. Morel mushrooms in the state of Georgia, baby. Calvin's Corner 72. Holy crap. God, they smell so good. Let's get this one right here. Gotta get this mushroom, boys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, boy. Off with their heads. Guys, I love it. And you know what? I'm looking right over here and I see another one. Do y'all see it? Oh yeah. I see it. It's right over there. Let's go get it. All right. Shake off them spores. Put them in my pouch. All right, y'all, got one up here on the bank. Oh, I don't know if I can get up here to it or not. God dang. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get it, boys. Oh, let me get that right there. Oh, oh yeah, baby. Off with its head, baby. The smell of victory.
Yeah.
All I had to do is text him and say, hey, there's mushrooms here.
Look right here, y'all. Oh, boy, right here in South Georgia. Boy, it's on now.
It's on like Donkey Kong. Let's go. You know I gotta do it, boys. That's right. Eat your heart out, Aaron Nelson. Y'all, Jeff, is this your first one you ever cut in Georgia?
That's my first one I ever cut in Georgia, y'all. Check it out. Oh, God.
Morel mushrooms, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
We got it going on, y'all.
Well, guys, that's it. Morel mushrooms. Awesome. Put them in a little bit of egg wash, as you saw. And I used some almond flour, which is low carb, and a little bit of butter. I got more to cook. Sure am proud of these morel mushrooms I got. Going to wash it down with a little bit of bush. Oh yeah. Guys, if you want one of these handles, beerhandle.com, the link's down below. Check these out. Morel mushrooms, almond flour, butter, egg wash, Georgia morel mushrooms, fresh, 2020. During all this craziness that's going on right now with this zombie apocalypse. Thank you, Wee Wee from Wee Wee's World. I'll give her a shout out for my pepper and my salt shaker she gave me. Y'all could just smell this. Them morel mushrooms are so good, guys. If you've never had them, try to get out and find you some. Y'all get on back over here. On the corner. Where the getting is good and happiness is always. Just around the corner. If you get out and look for it. Appreciate y'all watching this video. Give me a like. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Because you never know what's going to be just around the corner. That shit was good. Check out Zach Bird Adventure Hour. He's balling, baby. Zach Bird Adventure Hour. Freaking awesome channel. He found some awesome morel mushrooms, guys. Whole lot more than I did. He's about 2 counties south of me. You lucky dog, you.